Okay. Well, that's pretty satisfying. Ooh, has a nice textured grip to it. Here we have the GoPro logo. Feels pretty nice, pretty solid. Looks like it has a lanyard at the bottom. And then let's see. Kind of looks like a candy wrapper almost in a way. Or like matches. If you guys had those old-timey matches that you had to take out, spark up. For you hooligans out there that smoke cigarettes or other nasty stuff. Here they are. Oh. Jesus. There you go. Jesus. Okay, and then we have the lens caps. It looks like, oh, kind of came off satisfyingly. There you go. Your camera must be updated before you use it. Okay, it looks like we have to do some sort of update. I don't know if there's a camera or a battery that already came inside of this, but let's see. Okay, all right, let's try to figure out how intuitive this might be for batteries, figuring out the battery. Now, oh, there we go. I know you're supposed to read the instructions, and I just wanted to see how easy it is for me to figure out. I guess some people don't read the instructions, so there's that. And it looks like a pull tab. Oh, this might be for just taking it out. Doesn't look like it's supposed to come off. Oh, jeez. Well, there we go. So it is somewhat intuitive as far as that's concerned. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now we have this. Let's see if it turns on. Oh. Cool. Has the GoPro. Okay, then initializing. I don't know if it's touchscreen. Oh, looks like it is. Install GPS. Okay. Voice control. Control the camera using your voice. Okay. Oh, it's asking for an SD card. Should have one, I think. I think with this pack it was supposed to come with one. Let's check. Camera must be updated before you can use it. Ah, here we are. Okay. I guess this is some of the things you can mount it on. Here is the memory card. And just some other stuff. Is there any stickers? Yes, there is. Half the fun, just like everybody else does, is getting these stickers. I usually put it on my PlayStation, and yeah, I like to put it on that or put it on my laptop. This is, I guess this is the first time you guys are seeing this. Here we are. This is not an Apple, obviously, but I just put it on there, and it has convinced some other people thinking that it is, but it's just funny. But yeah, I guess I'll find a spot to put it on here. I guess just some things for this channel that I'm working on, 26%, is just reviews. I'm only unboxing this one just as a starter, and just kind of going from there. Okay. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is either. Okay. And it looks like I need to put this back in there. Oh, okay. And the SD slot goes right here, very close. You can barely tell. All right.